Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee. And can you believe it's the end of February? February the 25th. And also week 8 of our cleaning and decluttering of the house. And we finally are going to be out of the kitchen after this week. And this week we are going to do, start planning menus. Try to make a menu up for every week, for every day of the week, and create a menu board where you write it on for the family. You can see mine right back there. That's my menu board. And I put on there at the beginning of the week the whole menu, and on the fridge I have the schedule for everybody, so we know where everybody's at, and they know what food we're going to have, and they can tell me whether they're going to be home or not to eat it, and if not, I know how much to prepare. If only 2 of us are going to be home, I don't have to prepare nearly as much as if all 4 or 5 of us was home. So it helps to budget your meals by having a menu planned. You can go to the grocery store, get everything you want at the beginning of the week or at the end of the week, whatever. And whenever you go shopping, and you can get everything for the next week, and you don't have to run back to the store, which is nice. The next thing we're going to do is create a running shopping list. Now that is so easy nowadays. It used to be hard. I mean, I used to have a paper list that we would have to make. Now you just go to your phone, go to the shopping area, and the list is already there. You just have to click what you want and what you don't. Anything you've bought in the past is usually added to that list, and you can just click yes, I need it, no, I don't. You can shop online. There's so many different ways to do it now than when I first started doing this. But the menu board and the running shopping list are 2 of the things that I still keep on my list that I do. And another thing is, if you are still working, or if you have somebody working or going to school, it might be a good idea to have a lunch packing area, basket full of just stuff that they put in for their lunch, so they can fix their own lunches if possible, and just create that little station so they can help you fix lunches for them. Another thing that we're going to do this week is we're going to get rid of all the old vases, however you want to say it. You probably got some for Thanksgiving. Probably got some for Valentine's Day. If you don't need them, don't keep them. There's no reason to have a bunch of, because every time you get new flowers, you get a new vase. So you can get rid of the older ones, especially the plain ones that aren't very pretty. And the other thing that we're going to do this week is we're going to go and we're going to clean the vacuum cleaner. And we're going to clean and vacuum the curtains. And you're going to check around the showers and the bathtubs, check that caulking, make sure it's still good. Again, go outside, check your house for ice dams and icicles. Clean that garbage disposal again, and again, test your smoke detectors and the carbon monoxide detectors. We're going to check those almost every month, especially in the winter time. If you have a wood stove or a fireplace, make sure you clean out the ashes. Make sure the dampers are shut off at night. And basically, it's going to be a quick week, especially for me, because I already have my menus. I have my menus already done for the whole year. I have the board, I just have to put what I want on there. February is also the time that late February, is also the time that you can start going out and pruning your trees and your bushes and your rose bushes. Don't prune any spring flowering bush or tree at this time. Wait until after they bloom. But you can remove any diseased, damaged, wind damaged, or storm damaged branches, low-hanging branches, suckers off the bottom of the trees and bushes. Trim back your bushes by 1/3. Knockout roses can be knocked down all the way down to 12 to 18 inches at this time. And You can also start thinking about planting indoor flowers to be transplanted outside at this time. So dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.